So Google Gemini has recently been updated and it can now do some really impressive things, but most people still aren't aware of its full capabilities, especially if you're someone who's looking to start a one-person business. So in today's video, I'm going to break down these updates and show you exactly what's new step by step, so that by the end of this video, you'll have the right information so that you can get more out of your Gemini usage. So we're going to jump straight into the first Google AI tool, which is Pomelli. Now, this is a tool that most people still haven't heard of, but it's essentially one that you can use to help you generate assets, whether that's video assets or it's going to be images that you can use on your social media or even paid accounts if you're looking to drive traffic to whatever online store you're building. The fact that it's still free to use is actually quite impressive. You know, they're still working on it, they're still improving it, but I would say over the past few months, they've definitely made some massive updates. And I want to show you exactly how it can help you if you do currently have a store that you're looking to drive traffic to, and you're struggling to generate the social media content and you're looking for an AI solution. So to find it, you're just going to go over to labs.google.com/Pomelli. You're going to see something similar to this. Before, it was only available in the US, but I believe right now it's available worldwide because I'm not in the US, but I'm still able to access it. And all you need to do once you're on this page is click on Let's Get Started. The way that Pomelli works is that you need to give it your store URL so it can generate something called a business DNA. The business DNA is only the color scheme, the general theme of the store, so that it has an idea, so that from there, if you want to quickly generate any type of asset, you're going to be able to quickly do it. So literally all you need to do is just click on Let's Go. And it's going to be here where you now need to enter your store URL. And the store that I'm going to be using as an example in today's video is going to be this one. So this is a store that I built using nothing but AI. Everything is custom from the banner to the actual product image. And for those of you that can't tell, this is a store that's going to sell a variety of different digital products. It's a digital product store that's going to sell things like digital planners, spreadsheets, e.g. on the screen, as you can see, there's this ultimate YouTube income growth planner. And if it wasn't obvious, this is a store that's going to be targeted towards YouTube creators, Instagram creators, any type of social media creator. They're going to be able to use these different digital products. Now, again, this is just a demonstration store, but we're going to be using it just to make the point. And if you did want to build a similar store like this and you wanted to load it with digital products, the way that you can do that is by using a tool called Digital Maker AI. I'm going to leave it linked down below. You can use it for completely free. All you need to do is sign up. You can sign up using a Gmail or you can sign up using a regular email address. From there, you're going to see the website maker. You just need to click on what type of digital product you want to sell. Enter your ideal store name, go through the process of selecting your color scheme, and at the end of it, you're going to get access to a Shopify built store that you can start using straight away. So right there, as you can see, I've now pasted the URL of this store. It's analyzing the brand business DNA. So it's looking through everything. It's looking at my values. It's reading through the content. It's looking at the visuals and everything. So this process doesn't take too long, probably a few minutes, and it should come back with something that looks similar to this, where you can now take a final look at everything, just cross-check it, make sure that you're happy with it, the logo, the fonts, the colors, and then from there, it should take you directly to your catalog. Now, there's a few different updates that they've made to Pomelli, and I'm just going to quickly show you them right now. So one of the first things is the fact that you can create something called a photo shoot. This is something that wasn't there before, and I have to admit that they've definitely improved the quality of the visuals that it comes back with. Before, things looked a little bit basic, but now they've improved the overall look, and it's going to be something that you can definitely use on your Instagram account straight away. So if we just click into photo shoot just like that. Okay, and just like that, it's now come back with these 3 different images. So let's take a look at this one in the middle right here. So this is an AI generated woman. It's not a real woman. And the fact that it's come back with an image that looks realistic, it's even added a nice touch of the YouTube microphone right there, because remember, this is a digital planner for YouTubers. So she's using it, it looks realistic, and again, I can add text to it. I can use it right now, upload it to Instagram. There's also this image over here as well. So the fact that you can now use Pomelli and generate high quality images like this, and remember, it's free to use, is something that you should definitely be taking advantage of. But let's now move on to one of the second updates that Google has made to Gemini, which is the fact that you can connect your NotebookLM to your Gemini account. And you're probably thinking, Sam, this is something that we could do before, but there's some slight changes to it. And I want to give you an example. If you're someone out there that's maybe thinking about building up a faceless YouTube channel, I want to show you how this integration can help you. So First things first, what you're going to do is make your way over to Gemini. You can find it by typing in gemini.google.com. From here, on the left-hand side, what you're going to do is click on these 3 lines. From there, what you're going to see is a few different options. You're going to see the chat option, gems, and you're also going to see this new one, which is notebooks. So with this one, what you can do is just click on new notebook. And let's say if I was looking to use this to, again, build up some sort of a faceless YouTube channel with the intention of driving that traffic to some sort of a digital product. Let's say the digital product that I showed you earlier, which is that YouTube income digital planner. I'm just going to give it a name. I'm just going to say faceless YouTube channel, and stick with me because what I'm about to show you is going to be really interesting. So from here, what you're now going to do is add a source document. So it's similar to NotebookLM where you're going to click into this. And if you're not really familiar with the way that NotebookLM works, essentially what you can do is give it a source reference. So it's always going to use that as a knowledge base before it comes back with any answer. And the reason why this is a powerful thing is because you can basically program your Gemini or notebook in a way where it's going to give you specific questions, a specific structure to help you with a specific thing. In this case, we're going to program it to help us with the faceless YouTube channel. And to give it a source, you can either give it a direct file, you can link a file from your Google Drive, you can give it a website URL, or what you can do is just copy and paste text. So the one that I'm going to pick is this one, and the way that I'm going to get the specific prompt that's going to program this NotebookLM to help me start up a specific YouTube channel in a certain niche, I'm just going to go over to Digital Maker AI, and I'm going to click on NotebookLM just like that. And as you can see, it's going to ask me what am I looking to build. So I'm just going to click on faceless YouTube channel. And for those of you that's not really familiar with the way that Digital Maker AI works, it's going to take me through 7 different questions, and it's going to understand exactly what type of faceless channel I want to start. And at the end of it, it's going to give me a custom prompt that I'm now going to paste back into Google Gemini. So I'm just going to tell it that I'm a beginner with this type of channel. I want it to be within the finance and invested niche. I'm going to say that I want it to be about Warren Buffett. Let's go with that. Click on next. Do I already have a name for this channel? I'm going to say no. How do I plan to monetize it? We're going to say through digital products. And finally, how often do I plan to upload videos? Let's go with 3 to 5 times per week and click on generate prompt. Okay, perfect. So with this prompt, I can now copy it, go back over to Gemini, paste it in there like that, and then click on add text. And then from there, what should happen is that Gemini should now start a sequence of clarifying questions so that it can now build out a custom tailor-made blueprint to help you build up this channel. So it's initially going to come back with some options for different channel names. So I'm just going to go with this one. By the way, guys, what I'm showing you is just an example. The next question is what sub niche do I want to focus on? I'm just going to go with this one over here, dividend growth investing. Let's go with that. One of the next questions is going to be video style. I'm going to say I want it to be educational. And yeah, just generally, there's going to be a few other questions, e.g. video length. There's going to be ones like what type of thumbnail do I want to use? What type of profile image do I want to use? How exactly do I plan to monetize it? So on and so forth. By the end of it, what you should get is the final blueprint, everything structured in a way so that you have a full understanding as to how you're going to build out this channel. So yeah, this is something that you couldn't necessarily do with Gemini before in the way that it works like NotebookLM, where you can program it and it's going to come back with structured answers as well as a step-by-step final blueprint. But things don't end there because there's also been some updates with NotebookLM in terms of how it can help you either build a digital product or start any type of one-person business using this whole concept of a custom prompt that's going to program it. So if I just make my way over to NotebookLM, I want to show you certain things that you can do over here. So if I just click on this, and then what's going to happen is that it's going to come back with all of your NotebookLM chats, but I've just clicked into the one that I started on Gemini, the one that you saw me just do. But as we can see over here, we've got the chat history from Gemini. So now my NotebookLM knows all of my answers, and it's also got the custom prompt as well. So this brings me to a update with NotebookLM that I couldn't really do before to a high level, which is the fact that you can now use NotebookLM to help you build custom tailor-made mini video courses to help you with any topic. So whether you want to use these mini video courses to your customers, your viewers, your audience, whoever it is, you've got that option. Or if you just want to simply use these different mini courses made by NotebookLM for yourself so that you can learn anything, that's also an option as well. And to show you exactly what I mean, let's use this faceless YouTube channel as an example. So let's say if I'm someone that is thinking about starting a new channel within this niche, but maybe I'm confused on exactly how I'm going to build it out, and I wanted to watch a tailor-made video to the exact type of channel that I'm looking to start. What I can do is go over to video overviews. Just make sure that you're on the specific NotebookLM chat, the one that you started on Google Gemini, and just click into this. So initially you're going to see that there's a brand new option for you to create a cinematic video. So that's definitely something that you can try out. All of this is free to use, by the way. NotebookLM doesn't charge you for any of this. But let's say if I wanted to create a explainer video, again, it's going to be a mini course breaking down step by step how to build out this faceless channel. I could just click on, let's say, classic. I prefer to use that. The language, I'm going to leave it on English, and I'm just going to add a short instruction or short prompt. All I'm going to say is create a mini course explaining how to start this faceless YouTube channel. You can be a lot more descriptive than that if you want to give it specific instructions, telling it exactly what type of mini course you want, the modules that you want. I'm just trying to give you a general overview as to how this works, but as you can see, that's what I've typed in, and I'm just going to click on generate. And what's going to happen is that within a few minutes, it does take some time because it is building a unique video that doesn't exist on the internet anywhere from scratch. So it may take about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. But as you can see on the right hand side over here, I've now got the video. So what I'm going to do is just click on play.
All right, let's get right into it. Welcome to this explainer where we are breaking down an absolutely brilliant strategy for launching a highly profitable, completely faceless YouTube channel. And we're basing the whole thing on Warren Buffett's wealth advice. If you are a total beginner looking to break into the super lucrative finance space without ever having to point a camera at your own face, you are exactly where you need to be. Let's unpack this step-by-step Buffett blueprint together.
Here is our exact roadmap for today. 1. Set up your channel identity. 2. Plan your content strategy. 3. Create your first video. 4. Design clickable thumbnails. 5. Launch your digital product. And 6. Your 90-day growth plan.
So there you go. That's a short snippet of the type of video that it was able to make. And of course, throughout the entire video, it's now going to break down every single step. I don't want to bore you with the entire video because I'm sure that you guys get the point. But yeah, I would say that that's definitely an upgrade, because before you could definitely make videos like this, but the quality of the video that it comes back with is going to be a lot more improved, especially for those of you that are looking to build up some sort of faceless channel or even sell a digital product. It all comes down to giving NotebookLM the right prompt. So be sure to check out Digital Maker AI for free, linked in my description. But moving on to one of the next updates to Gemini that, again, most people are not even aware of, which is going to be within the Google AI Studio. Now, the AI Studio can do some really impressive things. It can build apps, it can build websites, but the one thing that it can do that a lot of people are not aware of is the fact that you can use it to generate an AI voiceover. And the reason why this is powerful is because you can basically generate an AI voiceover that you can now use on your faceless YouTube videos. And I want to give you a quick workaround as to how anyone out there can do this. So first things first, you're going to need to get a script for your faceless videos. You would have already got this from either NotebookLM. I recommend using Claude to get a detailed script that's going to explain everything that's going to go into your video word for word. So with that script, you can now paste it directly into Google AI Studio. So this is going to be for the video that we are working on, which is going to be about finance and investing and Warren Buffett, so on and so forth. So I'm just going to paste the script in there just like this. And by the way, I'm only doing it for the first part of the video, which is essentially the hook and the introduction, just so that you guys know how this works. So now that I've put the short script in there just like that, what I can do is go over to the top right. And for you to switch your Google AI Studio over so that it uses the correct model of Gemini to turn your script into a voiceover, you need to click into this and you're going to see audio. And the one that you can use is any one of these, to be honest, but I'm just going to click into this one for now. And what it's then going to do is give you all of these different options for all of these different voiceovers. So let me just play a short snippet of one of them just so that you can hear how it sounds.
Good morning. It's 68 degrees and sunny. Traffic is a bit heavy today, so I'd suggest leaving 10 minutes early for your 9 a.m. meeting. Regarding your support ticket, I definitely hear your frustration with that billing error.
Okay, so there we go. That's how it sounds. You guys can hear that that sounds really realistic. So what I'm going to do is put the voiceover in there just like that. And it's going to be here where you can now have all of these different options for all of these different voiceovers. And it's also going to be here where you can now paste your entire script for your faceless YouTube video. But I'm just going to click on run, and what I'm going to do is let it generate. And then what I'm going to do is download the audio clip. And to do that, I just need to click on download at the bottom over here. And now that I've got this audio clip, let's assume that I've done this for the entire YouTube video. What I can now do is go over to a tool like Canva. I could just click on YouTube video where it says create a design. And the way that Canva works is that it can help you generate a wide variety of different videos using different formats. But I'm going to show you one of the most simple faceless videos right now, which is going to be simple overlays with the voice narration. So I'm going to drag and drop these different clips that relate to the topic of the video. And bear in mind that all you need to do is to type in the niche or whatever the topic is, and you're going to have a wide library of different video overlays to choose from. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to be back straight away once I'm done. And there we go. Just like that, as you guys can see, I've completed the first draft of the video. It took me maybe 20 seconds, probably 1 minute to do what I just did. So I've dragged in all of these different clips. I got the voiceover directly from the Google AI Studio. And what I'm going to do now is just play this video just so that you know exactly how powerful the Google AI Studio is, that's powered by Gemini when it comes to helping you start a faceless YouTube channel. Let's go.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down Warren Buffett's real philosophy on dividend investing. And it's not what most YouTube gurus will tell you. He doesn't chase high yields. He doesn't care about monthly payouts. And he definitely doesn't recommend the dividend ETFs that flood your feed. Instead, Buffett follows 5 specific principles that have generated billions in passive income for Berkshire Hathaway. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply each one to your own portfolio. Let's get into it.
And just like that, as you heard, I was able to get a realistic sounding AI voice courtesy of Google Gemini. And this is something that any of you can do. You can use Gemini to plan out a faceless video. You can also use Gemini that's going to power Pomelli to help you create image assets that you can now use on your social media. Honestly speaking, there's so many different ways that you can use Gemini to help you build up your one-person business. And I've got so many more videos coming out over the next few days, over the next few weeks. So be sure to subscribe. Hit the bell notification so that you don't miss those future videos. If you've enjoyed this one, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Also, make sure to visit the links in the description down below to help you with all of the different things that we spoke about today. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I expand on how you can use Canva with Google AI tools to help you build up a faceless YouTube channel that can help you sell a digital product, I'm going to leave that video on the screen right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this because that video has already helped out thousands of people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it can also help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.